Welcome to this mesmerizing design of a flower garden amidst an untouched rainforest. The concept combines the untamed beauty of nature with carefully crafted elements. Imagine a sanctuary where vibrant flowers bloom in harmony with the towering trees. The winding stone paths guide you through layers of colors, leading to a charming gazebo, a perfect spot to immerse yourself in the serenity. Adding to the experience are the delicate movements of butterflies and the soothing sounds of flowing water and birdsong. This design captures the essence of balance between human creativity and nature's splendor.